you got there?
My gigantic fruity pebbles.
Right.
Inside every little Pebbles flake is a great big blast of Fruity Pebbles taste.
Pebbles! They're so cute. The little bam.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Cuyahoga Emergency Management Agency. Evacuation order for zones 166, 204, 635, and 242 due to wildfires. Evacuate now. Do not hesitate. Evacuate now.
Well, Clint Emerson is here with us.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Cuyahoga Fire Department and the Cuyahoga Emergency Management Agency. The fire for zones 166, 204, 635, and 242 is canceled. The Cuyahoga Fire Department has put out the fire. Residents in Cuyahoga are advised to not come back until the local authorities advise it's safe to do so.
That when crisis strikes, you've already got decisions made, and all you got to do is act those decisions out. You don't